G'day traders, today talking about failure, trading failure. Failure in any aspect is your greatest teacher. That is where the discovery process begins. Losing, struggling, blowing up trading accounts, all of those things are your greatest opportunity to not only discover a lot about yourself, but also to discover the opportunities that are inside of trading. And all of us will continue our journeys because mastery is an ever-evolving process. And so the holy grail that traders seek is not on the entry-exit strategy, it's in their mind. And when you discover that, and traders ask all the time, why did this trade fail, or what should I have done? And the questions that you're asking me are the questions that you should ask yourself. My model is very simple. I have a high and a low area that I'm working from. I have buy low opportunities, sell high opportunities. I have trend trade opportunities, but they're very simple. And if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I don't beat myself up. It's part of the process. You manage your risk, you take profits out of the market. If I sell here and I cover here and I'm out of the market, that's as simple as it gets. Or I'm buying low and I'm taking an exit, take profit target, whatever that may be. But if I'm impulsively trading, if I don't have a plan, if I'm not preparing for each session or looking for the best instrument to trade, and again I talk about, I'm looking for low stress. I don't want stress. There are some really easy trade opportunities. Are they on the same instrument every single session? No, of course not. So all these things that we make complex are all in our mind. And failure is the beginning of the discovery process. So all the questions that you ask, and then go back and do the same thing again, is repeating, the definition of insanity, doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. Step back from the process, break it down into all of its components, timings, high-low, price action. I have a saying, you're either on the inside or the outside. If you're on the inside, it's 50-50. If you're on the outside, that's where my highest probability setups occur. And I talked about grading those setups. If I'm at the high of the week or the high of the month, the high of the year, low, etc., those are where my greatest opportunities lie. If I'm inside, then it's 50-50, and that means that I'm impulsive, taking trades that aren't even in my trading plan, and that's where I can start to do damage, because I'll get into a position, I can add to that position, it can go completely against me, and I can't even control my risk because I'm inside. I'm in the middle somewhere. Whereas if I'm at the high or the low, I know for a fact that, as I mentioned, my max stop's going to be a quarter level, because if it proceeds past my entry level based on price action, then I'm wrong, and I need to be out right away because I could be caught in a measured move, which is why I stick specifically to the timings. And when I'm done that trade, I get off the screen and I walk away. I don't hang around to try and catch a move or grab some more pips or do whatever that is, because that to me is not part of my plan. And again, these are all things I've had to learn through my own self-discovery process. So hopefully you got value from today's video, traders. Failure can be your greatest teacher, your greatest ally. For everything that you want to get out of trading, you'll get a free education every single day from the market. Have a great trading session today. Make it your best day ever, and may the markets go with you.